Okay, here he goes. Tonight he's very, very busy building a new web for some reason. For some reason, it seems as if his old web might have just gotten screwed up today. So, he's very busy. He's been running around in circles all night long. Let's see if I can get a better shot. Let's see, there he is. Yeah, there he goes. Look how fat he is. He looks like he has another egg inside of him. So we might have to hurry up, finish the web in order to get the egg out in the middle of the web. But there he goes. He's on the run. But he's doing a pretty damn good job. If you can see the web, I'm going to try to focus on it a little bit. I can't really see it. It's too blurry. There he goes. He's going up. And then in the middle, if you can see the little white thing there, there's a, might be another egg that he's trying to protect, possibly. I don't know. There he goes. He's on the run. Building away tonight. Building away that big old web. There he goes. Up and at him. Yeah, whoops. Can't even keep up with him anymore. He's too fast for me. See the little white thing there? I'm thinking that's the egg he already laid. And either he's trying to protect it by the web, or he's trying to get a new web quickly built so he can lay another egg. I don't know. He's looking awful fat tonight. See how fat he looks? See that big belly on him? Her. Oh my. Such a funny, odd looking. There we go. There's a better one. There we go. Okay. Good night, little spider.